Hello friends, this is Venu. In this video I am explaining about how to run, that means how to create a table, and especially how to create a table and how to load the data and how to run the SQL queries or the hive table. Actually, I hope everyone knows Hadoop. Hive is run on the top of matrices, on top of Hadoop. So, how we can create a table means, first of all, I am creating a sample table. Okay, it is sample 1. Okay, this is the table. Name is Venu, age is 20, it is mobile number, it is Bangalore number. Okay, now that means location. That example, this is a table. Basically it is everything is separated by comma. So that's why first of all we must create a table. First of all, before begin to hive and HQL, first start Hadoop. By the main business, it is hive is work on the top of Hadoop, so it is mandatory to work to start all process. Okay, now directly go to hive. Then what should we do? This is the table, sample table, where it is stored desktop, rukshaya, hive. Okay, this, and then come to the point. In this video I am explaining about how to create a table, load the data into hive table and run the SQL queries. Okay, so now how to create a table. First of all, there is two types of tables. That is create table. It is syntax: create table, table name, and create schema to the data. What is this? Where is this data? This is the data. What is this? This is the name, this is age, this is cell number, this is the location. Okay, that is the name, age, cell, city. Okay, now what is this means? It is string. That means it is data type. It is int type. Age is int type. Cell is bigint type, a large number. City is, it is the string. So I am storing this. I am creating a table like this. Okay, please note, it is, if you create a table like this, it can store in the local system, but not in the external table. If you create like this external table, this table is created in another external, that means external database like MySQL or other database. So it is nice idea. It is highly recommendable as well, but it is optional but highly recommendable. The main reason is, if you mention this external, if you mistakenly or if you delete the table, automatically this original data will both, it can delete both in hdfs and metadata. But if you mention external here, it can ignore the connection between metastore and actual data in hdfs data. So don't don't delete the hdfs data. Okay, now create external table. It is nothing but table name. Okay, this is schema, and the row format delimited, the row fields terminated by comma, lines terminated by n. Okay, this is the schema. How to create it? First of all, show databases. What are the databases we have created? And there are default database, Hive and terminated. I use Hive database. What are the tables? There is no any tables. So first of all, we are creating a table. Create external table, first table it is. Okay. If you create like this, if you get OK, it is the query is executed successfully. Show tables. Now you can get first table. Here show tables, there is no first table. Now you got it, first table. So this table is created, but there is no any data in this table. You can check this information directly HD level here as well. By default it is stored here work, data warehouse and hive.db first table. There is no any data. By default it is storing here. Okay. And first table, what is this? There is no first table. Okay, there is no any data. Now we are storing some data from localhost to this here. So that what should we do? Simply what should we do? Load data local. This is too important. Local means it can get the data from local system, whereas if it is too important. Okay. Now in case if you are loading data from another website, hdfs, we don't mention this one. Okay. Now what should you do? Simply run this one, load data local import. What is this? Means this is local path, whereas this one means just now this is the path, home rukshaya hive, it is sample one. Okay, we are getting this data into, this is the table name, this is the table name. Okay, now you run it, where it copying data from this one to destination, and it can store here. Okay, now the data is stored or not. Sample one is stored. This is the data, you got it. Now what next? You can run the now you can run SQL queries. For example, in this table, this is the name, this is age, and this is cell number, and this is location. Okay, that means cell. Okay, let example, you want these two numbers only, cell number and name. Okay, so that what should we do? Select name comma cell from okay. Okay, this is everything, this is only selected data. So now everything is successfully run, executed. Okay, now you don't know what it is. This is name, or this is age, or this is cell number, this is location. How can you identify? You don't know about it. That's why there is having two options. Why it is header? Set hive.cli.print header is equal to means it can store this. If you enter like this, you can get it. Venu. Here you can get name, age, cell and city. Name, age, cell and city. You got it. Okay. The main reason is this is the command. Okay, and one more. What this means? Current DB. That means in Hive, where are you now? There are a lot of databases. There are many databases. Where are you working with? Now you got it. This is Hive. You are working under the Hive database, in the Hive database. Okay. Now, so you can get any data. Okay. You can run anything. And also, second one, you don't want everything, all this file. You are creating a separate file. That means this is one database. Okay. You are storing a particular fields, that is name and cell number, in another table. That's why what should you do to get like this? Means simply same. Okay, this is nothing but insert data from hdfs to hive. Okay. Okay, then now you are creating a table. This is basically, here you have mentioned external. You are not mentioning any external here. Then what happened? I will show you now. Okay, now you are creating another table called name string name is not required. Let example, you want only these two. Now I already created second table. Okay, show tables. This is second table. Okay, there is no any data. Now what should you do means, this is the command to insert overwrite table name. Okay, this is table, just now it is created. It is table. Select name city from first table. That means you can get these two fields from these two information. Okay, name from first table. How to get it? Please note, this schema is this name schema, city schema should be same. These two schema must be same. Okay, now come to the point, how to insert this data. Okay, actually you can check here, there is no number of registers is set to 0. There is no register operator. Okay, you can remember, the main reason is this is not aggregating any data, simply store and loading this data. Okay, now you can check it. Okay, there is only two fields. You are getting these two fields. Okay, this is the let example. I will show another important tip as well. Okay, drop table name. Okay, now there is no any first table. The main reason it is deleted. Okay. But even though you have deleted first table, this is the first table. There is already first table. This first date. It is not deleting the hdfs data. Okay. Okay. It's not deleting the hdfs data. That means it can store the there is some first table, second table. Actually this is you have deleted only first table, but you can get this data here. But and you can check what happening internally means you can go to web this one MySQL. Go to this one. Okay. Where is this? Actually, it can delete the only metadata. This is the metadata. Okay, the main reason is external data it is. Okay, it can delete the schema only, but not deleting the hdfs data. Okay, now come to the point. This is the main reason is this is external table, but there is no external table. So if you drop this table, secondary table, it can delete both schema and also this one in hdfs as well. How it can delete it? Please check it. Drop. Okay, there is no any tables. If you run refresh one, there is no hdfs data. Directly second what is this? Second table already just now it is deleted. So it can store hdfs data as well and also metadata as well. Please check it. Where is the second table? It's also deleted. The main reason is it can, if you use external, it can okay. I hope you understand everything what happening internally. Okay, so if you want to I hope you can understand. Please note, if you delete it once, okay, always create external table for better table. Okay, so I hope you understand what about Hive, how to create it, how to load, and how to run SQL queries and everything. Okay, if you like this video, please share through online, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.